Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to part 2, lesson 1 of English for Beginners with me, Qazal. Okay, today we are going to learn how to say our name, our age, where are we from, and also how to give our phone numbers to each other. Are you ready? Let's go then. Okay, as you remember, in part 1, lesson 1, we have learned how to greet someone and how to say goodbye, right? And also, how are you doing? What's up? We have learned that too. Today, let's start with how to say our name and how to ask someone's name. Ready? First, we say hello, hi, as always. Hello, I'm Qazal. What's your name? Hello, I am Qazal. What is your name? What's your name? Hi, my name is Maria. Hi, my name is Ali. Or whatever your name is. Right? Listen one more time. Hello, I'm Qazal. What's your name? Hi, my name is Maria. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Hello, I'm Qazal. What's your name? Perfect. Easy, right? Now we are going to learn how to spell our name. How to spell. For spelling, we need to know English alphabet. If you want a short review of English alphabet, you can go and watch this video of mine. Okay? So, what is the question? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? G-H-A-Z-A-L. My name is Qazal, right? So, how do I spell Qazal? G-H-A-Z-A-L. Now, how do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Bravo! Excellent! Good job! Now after you say hello, hi, how are you, what's your name, how do you spell it, we would like to know where are you from. So we ask, where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from the USA, but I live in the UK. For example, I'm from Iran, but I live in Turkey. I'm from dash dash dash, but I live in dash dash dash, wherever you are living in. Okay? Now I ask you, you answer. Where are you from? I'm from, but I live in. Bravo! Well done. Easy, right? Okay, now it's your age time. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I'm or I am, you know, I have told you before. I'm is a shortened form of I am. I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old. I'm 15 years old. I'm 64 years old. How old are you? I'm years old. Okay, well done. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. And you? Well done. Now you can say your age. Okay, now the last part is your phone number. Call me. Your phone number. What is your phone number? Now, before we go on, if you would like to have a short review on numbers, you can go and watch this video of mine. If you would like to have a short review. But if you already know and remember numbers from 1 to 10, you don't have to. So, what is your phone number? Let's imagine this is my number and I'm going to give it to you. Listen. 521 601 332. Teacher, you didn't say 0 and you didn't say 33. Why? Okay, it's right to say 0 when you see 0 and to say 6622 when you see two numbers right next to each other. But when you're giving your phone number to someone, it's better to say O to 0 and 66, 22, 11, 55 when you see two numbers right next to each other when you're giving your phone number. Okay? It's easier, faster, and nicer. Now it's your turn. What is your phone number? What's your phone number? Can you give me? What's your phone number? Well done. Easy, right? Now you can give your phone number to whoever you would like to. Okay, now let's have a conversation together. I'm going to read the red lines and you are going to read the blue lines. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Hello, I'm Qazal. What's your name? I'm from the US, but I live in Turkey. And you? How old are you? I'm 21 years old. Can I ask your phone number? What's your phone number? Okay, I will call you back. Nice to meet you. Bye. Okay, today's lesson is over. Part 2, Lesson 1 of English for Beginners is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all. Bye.